Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I cannot believe that we are already in September. Like, that is like literally blowing my mind. Like, I literally feel like I blinked and like summer was over. Everything I looked forward to this year is gone, and now we're pretty much like, it might as well be 2025 at this point, okay? I'm just kidding. Just kidding. But you guys know what I mean. Like, once September comes, it's like, okay, it's already Halloween, Christmas is like tomorrow, like it's just crazy how time goes. But anyways, today's video is going to be all of my August favorites. So I have some lifestyle, like gym favorites, well I only have one thing. And then the rest is like beauty. There was a lot of things that I was loving this month, or loving last month, sorry. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into this because there are a lot of goodies, okay? So I quickly want to start out with these leggings from Lululemon. These, you guys, I think they're the 5-inchers. These have quickly become my favorite leggings to work out in. So I still love my Amazon ones that I spoke about in like 1 or 2 videos ago. Those are amazing as well. But the way that this like cinches your waist, you guys, like when you're working out, when you're on the rower, when you're doing squats, like you know how sometimes this part will like fold and your stomach will kind of come out, like if it's not secure. The way that these just like suck you in and keep you in, and the way that they make your body look, number one, is amazing. The way that they feel when you're working out, like they don't stick to you. Like these, I know they're pricey, you guys, but I genuinely look forward. I only have 2 pairs. I have this color and then I have a green color, and I genuinely look forward to wearing these. So these are one of my favorite leggings to work out in. Again, like I said, I still love my Amazon ones. Those ones and these ones, I literally go through them out like pretty much every time that I work out. Like I don't wear any of my other leggings besides my Lululemon and then my Amazon one. I'm obsessed. I cannot get enough of these. So if you're looking for good leggings, I know that they're pricey, but you guys, working out in these is a dream. All right, let's move on to beauty, you guys. So last month I went to Aruba for my cousin's wedding. I had the most amazing time. But I want to talk about this sunscreen from Salt Air. So this is brand new. This is their sunscreen body oil with SPF 50. So they came out with 2 scents. Their iconic scent, Sandcell Bloom, and then they came out in their pink beach one. I actually took the pink beach one with me to Aruba. That's actually downstairs. So I'm just showing you guys this one. I haven't used this scent yet, but I was using the pink beach all throughout Aruba, you guys. And I mean, I got the most beautiful tan. So usually when I go to tropical islands like Aruba, Dominican Republic, the Bahamas, like I will burn, like I will look like a lobster. And granted, my first day I did kind of look like lobsterish, but then it just faded to a beautiful golden tan. I didn't even freaking peel, you guys. And usually whenever I go to tropical islands, I am peeling like a motherfucker. Like I am just like a snake peeling, like literally wild. I didn't peel. You guys, literally the tan that I got was the tan that stuck, and it did not peel. I don't know what they put in this, but something about this just made my like burn or my tan just look beautiful. Even I had no splotchiness. Usually whenever I use like a sunscreen or something, I like tan or burn in like blotches. With this, that did not happen, you guys. I didn't burn. I just got a beautiful golden tan, and not only did I get a good tan, I also smelled delicious too and had a beautiful glow. So whatever they did in this is magical. I'm definitely looking forward to like using this next summer, because obviously, you guys, summer is pretty much over. Well, for me at least, I live in New York, so summer is pretty much done for me. Very impressed with this, you guys. I loved it. It smelled amazing, gave me a beautiful glow, and also I didn't burn, like I said. So this, you guys, if you're going on vacation or you're looking for a good SPF that's going to protect you, make you smell good, give you a little bit of glow, this from Salt Air, you guys, they put literal magic in here, okay? Let's move on to the more like beauty stuff. Okay, so speaking of SPF, these from Naked Sundays, you guys, these are their Cabana Glow. So this is their bronze shade and this is their illuminating shade. You guys, again, another product that I put on my face every single day in Aruba, and I did not burn. So I mixed the 2 of them because the bronze one is a little too dark for me even when I was tan. So I mixed the illuminating and the bronze, and literally I look like a glowing goddess whenever I would put these on. So I love these so much. Me and my sister use them literally every single day. And like I said, we did not burn at all. So literally we would get up, we would just put this on our face, and we would go, and we would look like we actually put effort in, but we weren't burning, we weren't putting on makeup. We were literally just using these 2, and again, these are SPF 50. So your girl was protected in Aruba, okay? And I still got a beautiful bronzy glow, like bronzy tan. So you guys, if you're looking for good SPF products, these, you guys, are amazing. They are very glowy, so if you're somebody that doesn't like a glowy sunscreen, then stay away from these. They do have like an unseen type of thing too, so if you go on their website, they have a ton of options. They're literally just like an SPF, like known brand, and I really love these. They also didn't break me out. They were just beautiful. Love them if you're looking for that no effort like glow or bronze when you're like on vacation or even in your day-to-day life. Those, you guys, 10 out of freaking 10. Sticking with no makeup, this, you guys, the OG Benny tint. This is beautiful. So I would actually put these on and then put a little bit of the Benny tint on, and you guys, I would be good to go when I was in Aruba. I absolutely love this, you guys. I even will use it on full glam days. This just gives you a beautiful flush of color without making you look like a clown, without going on too intense. It's a very watery formula. Like, as you guys can see, it's very, very, very liquidy, but I love this, you guys. I cannot believe it's taken me so long to try this product. It is so good and was definitely ahead of its time in 2016 because this, you guys, so good. My go-to for my no makeup days, or even, like I said, I will use this to kind of mix in with my blush or just like use it on its own. It's a beautiful, versatile product. If you guys haven't tried this from Benefit, you do not know what you're missing, okay? I've spoken about this product before a million times on TikTok, not very like often on YouTube, but this is from Naturium. This is their Barrier Bounce Advanced Skin Hydrator, okay? So ironically, when I went to Aruba, I forgot to pack a nighttime moisturizer. So I packed my daytime, I packed all my nighttime skincare, I packed this, and then I forgot a freaking moisturizer. But the best thing about this product, you guys, is that it doubles as a serum or a moisturizer. So it's thick enough, I'm gonna show you, where it can be a moisturizer. Like, obviously, look at it here. It's giving like very much moisturizer, but then when you buff it in, it's like thin enough to be a serum, but again, thick enough to be a moisturizer. So even though I forgot my nighttime moisturizer, like look, you guys can just see that it's just hydrating my hand, I was good to go. I didn't have any dryness. I had nothing going on, and I was in the sun for 6 days straight, you guys. So the fact that I had no dryness, no peeling, like no nothing, this is a great, another versatile product, you guys. So if you're looking for like a one and done type thing in your nighttime skincare routine, if you're kind of oily, you don't want to like always go in with a moisturizer, but you also want to go in with something that's really hydrating, this would be amazing for you. I have more dry skin, so I literally love to like lather up the moisturizer. In my day-to-day like nighttime routine, I will use this, then go in with my nighttime moisturizer. But like I said, in Aruba, I did not have my nighttime moisturizer, so this was it. So you guys, 10 out of freaking 10. Love this product. It is so freaking amazing. So sticking with being hydrated, this is the Bioma Milky Toner. It's very, very viral on TikTok right now. This retails for only $17. You can get it at Ulta. So you know the Rhode one is super viral. Then ILTA came out with their version, which is $60, you guys. This is $17. So it's kind of like the ILTA and the Rhode like had a baby almost. So it's not as thick as the ILTA one, but also not as thin as like the Rhode one. It's kind of like an in-between. Like, it's perfect, you guys. If you're on a budget and you don't want to spend $60 on the ILTA one, or you don't want to spend $30 on the Rhode one, go to Ulta, pick this up, you guys. It is so good. I literally will spray my face with like my Tower 28, go in with this right after, and then be good to go, and then go in with my regular skincare routine. I use this morning and night. It's not thick enough where it's gonna ruin like your makeup during the day. It's also like just enough of hydrating where it's gonna give you that extra layer of hydration. I'm a hydration girly, as you guys can see, like this and this. Like, I'm always raving about hydration. This, you guys, is amazing, and it's 5 ounces for only $17. So again, super affordable. 10 out of 10 recommend. If you haven't gotten into the Milky Toners, try this out from Bioma. Again, you can get it at Ulta. Frigging amazing. I'm a pink blush girly, you guys, but sometimes I don't want that. And when I went to Aruba, I was like, I don't want to be like all pink out for the wedding. Like, I kind of want like an in-between. This blush, you guys, from Armani. This is in their shade 51. They just label their shades with numbers. But you guys, tell me this is not like the perfect in between. So this gives you that pinky that you're going for, but it also isn't too intense where it's going to give you like that flamingo pink. You know what I mean? Like, this is the perfect muted pink. It is beautiful. It gives you a nice soft blurring effect on your cheeks, and it's also pigmented enough where you're going to get that nice flush of pink, but you're also not going to look like a clown, because you know sometimes pink blushes you can kind of look like a clown. This you do not have to worry at all. It is so good. Again, I literally wore this blush for the wedding, and I was like, this is just everything. I couldn't stop using it in the month of August. It is my go-to. Like, as you can see, the Armani emblem, like the logo is almost gone. Like, it's still there, but it's hanging on by a thread because I was putting this bitch to work in August, okay? Love it, love it, love it. I know it's expensive because it's Armani, but you guys, it is so freaking worth it. I don't know if I've spoke about this on YouTube. I feel like I have, but I also feel like I haven't. This is the Rare Beauty Tinted Pressed Finishing Powder. You guys, I have seen a lot of mixed reviews on this product. Like, I have seen people say that they love it. People say that it's nothing to be like excited about, and I'm sitting here like, wait, but I'm so excited about this. I love this product. This, you guys, hasn't necessarily replaced my Charlotte Tilbury one, but it kind of has, okay? Like this one, I just tried it and literally my makeup stays in place all day. I don't look cakey, and it also gives me the perfect amount of coverage. I'm using mine in the shade Ivory. I love this product, you guys. I think it's $30, and the Charlotte Tilbury one I think is like $48, I believe. I think it's like closer to $50. This is definitely more affordable. Definitely still expensive, so it's not like a super affordable one, but it's more affordable than the Charlotte one. So if you're somebody that's been loving the Charlotte, the pressed one, is it called? Airbrush Flawless Finishing Powder. It's such a long name. This is a great, great, great alternative. I love it. Gives me amazing coverage. It helps my makeup like last all day. This is the last step in my powder routine. So I will set my face with a loose powder first, and then I will go over top and just lock everything in with this. And you guys, my skin looks flawless. My makeup lasts all day. It gives me that beautiful airbrush look to my skin without making me look cakey. So if you're looking for a good pressed powder to set your face with, you guys, this is so good. I don't know why people are saying that there's nothing to be excited about. Like, I'm so excited. Every time I use this, my makeup looks freaking flawless. So literally 10 out of 10. Cannot say enough good things about it. Okay, and lastly, you guys, I did mention this sponge in my Amazon favorites. You guys, this is the ShopMy. I forget what they're called, but you literally get 10 of these sponges for $9.99, you guys. This is no joke the best sponge that I've ever used. I have been a Beauty Blender girl through and through and through and through for years and years and years and years and years, you guys. And I'm always like, nothing compares to the Beauty Blender. No. You guys, this sponge beats it like 10 frigging times. So I want you guys to look at the back and see how smooth this sponge is. So a lot of the times when I get even the e.l.f. sponge or the Beauty Blender, sometimes there's so many inconsistencies. Like, it literally looks like the sponge has pores. This is the second one that I've like taken out of the pack that I have. No pores, you guys. I got my sister hooked on them. You get 6 sponges. Let me repeat that to you in case you're not getting it. 6 sponges for $9.99. You guys, I am very critical when it comes to brushes, sponges, makeup. Like, I'm super, super critical. I'm not just gonna recommend you a product without putting it through my test. So I'm very, again, very, very critical when it comes to like all of my, everything with my makeup routine. I'm super, super critical. I've been using for a month and a half, and I have 0 regrets with this product, okay? This sponge is the best sponge I've ever used. Like, I am going to continue to repurchase that. Again, I put my sister onto it because even she was like, when I use certain beauty blenders, like my makeup separates, it doesn't look super, it's like super smooth. And I'm like, yeah, it's because Beauty Blender, to be such a big brand and to be as expensive as it is, I'm really disappointed in the fact that how many inconsistencies there are with their sponges. Sometimes I buy them and I'm like, or I look at the ones that I get in PR and I'm like, this looks terrible. And sometimes they like poke your skin. Like, if you guys know what I'm talking about, please leave me a comment down below, because I want to make sure that I'm not just crazy and then I'm not just like nuts. I want to like see if other people have the same experiences that I do. These sponges from ShopMy, they're the perfect density. They blend beautifully. They bake beautifully. Like, this is just like a slam dunk, and you get 6 sponges for $9.99. So if you guys haven't tried these, let me put you on, because you do not know what you're missing. I will have them linked down below for you guys. So if you are interested, go to my Amazon link and you will definitely not be disappointed. Guys, that is everything that I have for you guys in the month of August. This was literally every single product that I have been loving in the month of August. So let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these products, and also leave me any products that you guys have recently been loving. I would love to try them. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.